All right, we got our new build coming in. It's a big one. It's the Nissan Titan. I'm really excited about this one because I had a Titan before and I modded it up pretty good. I had a long travel kit in the front. We did the fenders and the bedsides and had a bunch of other little tasteful mods to it. But we ended up selling that one a few years back and I picked up a new one. This is the V8. This is a gas version VK56. Killer motor, won all of our championships on that one. And so we are just pumped to bring this one in. And we've been working with a couple partners on this one. We got a full Dirt King long travel suspension kit for it. We have some upgraded leaf springs in the back. We have a full bed cages going in there. We have Bilstein triple bypass shocks going on it. And of course, we're gonna go with fenders and bedsides on this one. This time we're going with Fiberworks because they make the kit for this version. The XD is actually a different frame and the bed length is different. So we got those sitting on the shelf in the back, getting ready to go on. But first we gotta tear this thing apart. We're gonna get the whole suspension off. It's got a an old like bolt-on lift kit on there, and we're going for like a nice proper long travel setup instead. We got a shock hoop and a bunch of other aftermarket goodies. I think we got some bump stops, we got some limit straps, we got new bumpers front and rear, so it's gonna be a big build, and we gotta knock this one out before we start our next one, so let's hop to it. Big stuff, big. This is where I need Jimmy, he's faster than this stuff. I'm gonna break some tabs and be really bummed. Here. See, I did this before and I broke them then, so that I don't break them this time. There we go. See, this is where I get impatient and start breaking things. And this is when Jimmy yells at me for being impatient. It might be really easy if I pull this bumper off, which I'm gonna do anyway. There's like two right back here.
So I guess let's knock that out.
Let's just pop that bumper off. I got the rest of them. No, 2 clips away. Shot low light. All right. I can see. Yeah. Just gotta get these big brackets, get that wiring harness, and yeah, you can see this is like a little bolt-on coilover kit, and see that like drop bracket for suspension. It's just one of those cheap lift kits that just spaces everything down to give you that lift, but it doesn't give you any more travel, so it's not, you know, small crawler type stuff.
Also, here you go, Sensei.
Ah, see.
See.
Get the harnesses. I like to use the factory fog light harness to power my light bars, so I could use like the factory buttons. Very cool. Always gotta cut myself. That's for the motion. That one I missed. Of course, it's not even in this one. Proactive. Do not need a U or anything. Oh, what's my flathead? Can you grab that guy? Oh, loose screw.
You know, someone said that I'd fist bumped really shaky on camera.
Why getting too hopped up on the NOS, bro?
Dude, I know. Speaking of,
Get shaky.
yo, what? Yeah, you know what? We are gonna get shaky, and I also need to refill it because Jackson. Oh, we're definitely getting hype. All right, because this is definitely one of my favorite flavors. All right, Chris likes the original one.
I'm all original all the time.
All original all the time.
OG, dude.
Sour, dude. This thing is the move.
Sour's pretty cool.
Yeah, give her a rip, bud. Yeah, see? Damn it, Chris. I got that for me, but I'll get one for myself. Try this wherever you guys go to get NOS. Get the sour one. Give it a go. Leave in a comment which one you like more. What flavor's the favorite? No, I don't know, dude. I don't know. Dude. We're gonna start a war.
All right, whatever flavor you guys choose, Ray has to drink it for the rest of his life.
Oh, don't say that. Missing one?
This little guy.
Almost.
Oh, and there's one down underneath. I remember that one. Ugh, whatever I just touched is the dirtiest thing on this entire truck. Managed to find all the grease. Yeah, because I think we got like a leaky axle up here. This is what it looks like. Whoa. I don't know what that is.
The heck? Am I crazy or something's trying to start a nest?
Looks like it.
Yeah. Anybody looking for a home in California, we got you guys $2,000 a month, and you can have your own little spot.
No bedroom, no bath.
All vibes.
Only vibes in there. It's warm, it's cozy. It's about to be outside in the dumpster. Okay, so I'm gonna do it.
Good healthy snaps?
One healthy snap, one bad snap. Looks good. Looks like we can just support this thing. You're a good bumper. You're pretty. Are you me?
What happened?
The suspension kit has to come off first because this dumb bracket covers those bolts. The 2 rear bolts for the skid plate are inaccessible.
So what?
Wait. Nope. Oh, they are.
So what ended up happening was we're gonna start with the grill, but then to take off the grill, we were like, all right, let's take off the bumper. But then to take off the bumper,
keeping, so I want to take off the bumper. You gotta take off the skid plate. To take off the skid plate, you gotta take out the wheel wells. But no, it's all coming off. It's just I don't know the exact order, but it's all coming off. But what I was about to say was they did cut provisions in this bracket. So I was about to say something really mean, but they did a good job. If I had like out from underneath it, big part coming off.
ski plate gone. So now, bumper?
Almost. Sometimes you just gotta think for a second. If you're gonna kick it in the right direction.
Fine.
Going in the track.
There.
This one's. See that ninja catch?
Jesus Christ. That's Jason Bourne.
I think now is where it gets a little fishy. Alright, there's some more brackets somewhere.
Found some hidden jammies over there.
Always hidden jammies.
Those are the worst type of jammies.
Then
Back to the point, I forgot. Sorry, I just totally forgot about the grill.
of course. Ta-da! Grill's off!
And that right there is how you take off a Titan grill. Make sure to get like and subscribe. See you in the next video.
Hey, you might be able to get it off, but I'm just taking my time. Looks like I could have got my arm way up around there and found that clip.
So you're telling me to take that off, you have to take this thing off too?
Yeah, I was thinking about just ditching this thing anyway since we live in beautiful California and I don't need to close off my rack. Same thing with that. You bet. Yeah, so they glue this whole side up.
Oh, that glue is serious. Oh, it's serious.
Oh yeah. Yeah, so we'll like clean this off. That was not a bird. That was Nissan.
All right, JK, it's not for rent, guys. Sorry.
Next side.
Just warning you now, for anyone who actually takes that off, that glue is serious.
Dude, that glue is so serious. Good thing I'm more serious. So these should be on your Optima chargers. We've been using these and I actually love this one. It's super smart and it holds all the cables in the back of it. But they told us they had these like cool new little compact smart chargers. What do we got here? Ooh. Okay, cool. So these can charge the new Optima lithium battery. That's the difference. Oh, sick. Look at that.
Oh, it's pretty compact, dude.
Yeah, that's cool. I like that. Looks like it's got a little clip. A little clip-a-rippa. I'm into it. Yeah, we ordered these for the 4-posts so we can keep all those cars trickled up. So we got 4 of these bad boys. Yeah, how's the blade? So we got our Pro Eagle shipment for all of our trucks. So they got 2-ton and 3-ton. They have a bunch actually. Check them all out. Look at these guys. They got the 3-ton, they got the 2-ton, then they got a 2-ton flat one, which we have one of those already, right over there. And then like this little mini guy. They also have a CO2 one, which I always thought was pretty rad. But that's like for like UTVs because they have a lot of lift energy. But then the mounts, we got a bunch of mounts too. So these will go in the back of the trucks, right in the back of that bad boy.
So you're gonna put floor jacks on the Pro car with these?
Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, we're gonna we're getting rid of air jacks. We're going big wheels. I gotta see what he says.
It's like a kid on Christmas.
I know.
Oh, you got the big wheels. Look at that.
Yeah, bud. So requires mod assembly, MBD. Whoa. That's the cutest little tool I've ever seen. Tiny little snap ring pliers. Like that.
Wait, let me see. Look, put this for comparison.
Dude.
Fairly big hand, right? What? That's adorable.
It is. Here, we're gonna build this thing real quick. All right. Big wheel. Big wheel. Yeah, dude. Sick. It's got a skid plate too on it, so when you're in the dirt. Okay, this seems pretty straightforward. Snap ring. Doctor.
The snap rings are horrible.
These are great. Contact. Oh, we're snapped, dude. Look at that thing.
Dang, this thing is beefy. It looks like a race car.
I know. I'm so stoked on it.
That's so sick.
Whoa. Slow down. She rolls good.
Yeah.
I've seen videos of people like moving trailers and like busted trucks with like the front end's blowing off and they'll have one of these and the thing's just driving itself onto a trailer.
That's so sick.
And I'm like, dang, and like based on how well this thing rolls, I believe it. That guy bolts down and this thing snaps into it. So it's all together. Hang on, I'm figuring it out. First time, okay? No instructions. They exist, I just refused. There we go. Look at that. Contact. That thing is sick. So here we go.
I love how you're like, let's try to see. This is supposed to be an unboxing video for the other mods. And he's like, yo.
I'm excited.
He's like, no, I was like, check out the jack though.
Check out the jack. Oh yeah, dude.
Oh, wow.
He's running that stuff over. Dude.
Don't drop it. Oh, okay, you're good. I was like the tools.
Oh.
Oh.
Watch the hood.
Oh, shit.
And some batteries for these chargers, dude. That's cool because they have a couple different styles. So I think, yeah, this is the 3478. This is my total go-to because it's got the top post and the side post. So we run them basically everything. But in here somewhere we got some 35 series, which is what all the Nissans run. Because the battery posts on the Nissans are opposite.
All right, here goes Chris doing Forsberg things.
Oh yeah, dude, surfing up here.
Oh, God.
All this stuff's been sitting up there for a minute. This is the coolest part.
Oh.
Dude. Look at these things.
Those are beefy.
These are serious. These are dead serious. Show you the next coolest one. Maybe even cooler still. Oh yeah, dude. Freaking triple bypass rear shocks. These is like nuts. This is obviously fully compressed. Ugh. For transport. This guy will. That freaking awesome.
Dude, this thing is freaking massive.
This is serious. And then oh yeah, bud.
Holy crap.
Box lowers, extended, long travel, whole 9 yards. These babies are sick. Blow that front end off and swing this guy on. Just talking about for the front. Oh yeah, just this little piece. This is our little bump stop mount. That's cool. And then this is what replaces that front. So that's what the coilover will mount to. All right, and then this is a bar that goes across the motor. So this will go over yonder. Yeah, so that swoops up in there, bolts in. This one gets welded. This gets bolted and welded. This is a low locator. Looks like it goes like right there. And then we'll cut this whole piece out. And then that coilover goes whoosh, in its place.
So this isn't for the weak-hearted?
No. It's for cool guys like you, Ray.
Dang.
Maybe I'll get to get one too. Some good progress. We haven't gotten into the suspension yet, but you know, Jax is gonna be here soon and he's gonna start tearing into that with me. I just wanted to get this whole front end off, torn off, get all this stuff down and start kind of sorting it out, laying it out and seeing what we have and what we need. And on that note, we're gonna be going, yeah, full front to back on this thing. It's gonna be a whole new truck when we're done with it, so I'm freaking stoked. Tomorrow, we're going back in, full suspension. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You know, thanks for watching and hopefully you guys are into some truck stuff because this is gonna get pretty wild.